So last time, kinausap natin ang ating mga single sisters in Christ. Ngayon naman, gusto ko maka-heart-to-heart talk ang ating mga single brothers in Christ. So ang unang pakiusap ko mga brothers, if you are thinking of pursuing a sister, please do not send mixed signals. I pray that you will walk with clarity because it honors God. At syempre napakahalaga ng prayer. So pray before you pursue because it will give you the guidance, it will give you the gift of discernment para yung gagawin din ninyong pag-pursue is aligned sa will ng Panginoon. And in case nga na nililid ka ni Lord to pursue that sister in Christ, I hope na maging clear yung intentions. Don't keep her guessing kasi mahirap yun sa part ng mga sisters. And I really pray na yung pursuit ay may respect, may patience, and consistency. Sabi nga sa 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7, "For God did not give us a spirit of timidity, but a spirit of power, of love, and of self-discipline." I really pray, my dear brothers, na God will give you the gift of discernment. And kung nafe-feel nyo talaga na will ni Lord yung pag-pursue nyo sa isang sister in Christ, I really pray na tanggalin ni Lord lahat ng mga doubt at lahat ng mga fear na nasa puso ninyo. God bless you.